Hey everybody, welcome to WTF 2020. I hope everything is going well for you. It's been a while since I've done a video, but today I wanted to show you this really quick little item. I haven't done a video for Twitter in quite some time, so I wanted to show you guys how to easily see who follows you and who hasn't followed you. And this, if you haven't been to Twitter in a while, this might be something that you just haven't seen. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and I always love to hear about other things, other videos that I can do for you. So if you have a question and you'd like a video done, be sure to leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to get one done for you. All right, so let's get started. How to find out what or who has followed you and has not followed you. Super easy. You're going to go to your profile. Of course, you're going to have a Twitter account. You're going to log in and you're going to come over here to your followers. Click that and now you're going to see everyone who is following you. So you can go through the list and you can see here, this person follows me and I'm following them. This is a great way to see if maybe you haven't followed people that have followed you, and you can connect with them as well, because sometimes we know those notifications don't go through, we might miss them. But here's where we want to go through and look to see who's following us. So we'll have some in here, of course. TV channels typically aren't going to follow you back, but that would be a great, this right here is a great example of someone not following you. I am following Channel 9. They, of course, are not following me back. But we can go here to see Mike. I am following him. He is following me. So there we go. So basically, you just want to scroll through your list. And if there's someone here that maybe you haven't followed or you are following but isn't following you back, then you can easily unfollow them by simply hovering over this button and selecting unfollow. And then of course you'll get that little pop-up and you can decide what to do from there. Very easy to do. One of the things that I find people doing is immediately following you, and then when you follow them, unfollowing them back. It's kind of a pain, but this will help you go through and see who's legit, who's really following you back, and it'll help you keep in connection with those people that are following you too. I feel like I did a tongue twister there. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you again in another video. Thanks.